In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize atomic components effectively. This process is crucial for those of us who work with component-based design frameworks, as it enables us to build scalable and maintainable design systems. First, we'll start by creating your individual or atomic components. These are the building blocks of your design. Imagine you have a straightforward object, like a button. You'll want to select this object, and with it highlighted, go to the Object menu and choose Make Component. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on a Mac. This action converts your object into a main component, and you'll recognize it by the filled green diamond icon that appears. This step is essential as it sets the foundation for reusability across your projects. Next, we'll create another component, often referred to as the outer component, which will encompass the atomic component we just made. For instance, think of designing a card component that would include the button. To make the card a coherent component, select all relevant elements, such as the card background, text, and perhaps a placeholder image. Then, convert these selected items into a component by choosing Make Component from the menu. This will prepare the card to encapsulate other elements, like our button. At this point, we'll move on to integrating our first component, the button, into the second component, the card. This is a straightforward process where you simply copy or drag an instance of the button component and place it into the card component's artwork. Essentially, you're inserting the button instance into its new home within the card's layout. The next step is quite vital, as it solidifies the relationship between the button and the card. You'll want to convert the combination of the card and button into a unified component. If the card is already a component, you can simply paste the button instance inside it. With this, the button becomes a nested component within the card. This nested concept is powerful because it means any changes you apply to the main button component will automatically update across all instances where it has been used. Lastly, using the Assets panel, specifically the Components section, is key. This panel allows you to place instances of the outer component, our card with the nested button, across your artboard freely. Importantly, any updates or changes to the main components, whether they occur in the outer or nested component, will seamlessly propagate through all instances. This ensures consistency and efficiency, saving you considerable time in the long run. By following these steps, you're not just creating individual components, you're crafting an interconnected system that enhances the flexibility and scalability of your design work. Remember, thoughtful component organization can significantly streamline your workflow, ensuring your designs remain adaptable and cohesive.